I'm gonna show you how to set the clock here on a Ford 450. It's a 2006 U-Haul. Well, I converted it from a U-Haul to a food truck, but it's a 2006 Ford 450. I know this is old. Maybe nobody won't look at this video because this is an old vehicle. But let me show you. I've been having problems trying to figure out how to set this clock. The only thing you have to do is push this clock, CL, okay? Push it and hold it in. When you hold it in, you're gonna see it where it's displayed set clock. You got to keep it held in and push either this button here, that's to go back, that's one, or go up. We're gonna set it, set clock. Let's see, you got to keep holding it in. We're gonna say 6, and this down here is your minutes. So we're gonna hit your minutes back and forth. So the thing about this, you got to keep holding this clock button in. If not, you cannot set it. My son had to figure this out for me. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.